The first option we have here under the choose new type of machine would be the copier. By clicking on the copier button, it'll open up the copier information for this screen. First thing you'd want to do is enter in your description on the machine. From here you can enter in your maximum sheet size, as well as if you'd like to include a minimum run charge. There's also an area here for checkboxes if your machine is a duplex machine or can handle color. You wouldn't be able to use the color pricing tab here unless you were able to go back and put a check into the color area. The contract information on the screen is strictly reference. Once you get your information added to the software, the next step would be to click on the black and white or color pricing button at the top of the screen to create pricing for your machine. If your machine has the capability of running both color and black and white, you'd want to include all the pricing for each in both tabs. The first thing you'd do on the screen is list the size of paper this machine can use, as well as list the pages per minute it can run and the clicks they count as. Type in your size, pages per minute, as well as clicks into the field above and select the Add button to add to the list below. Next, you can add your click rate and price breaks to the list by adding a rate and price break into the designated field and then clicking the Add button. You can add multiple quantities as price breaks into this window. The rule of thumb is you always want the last quantity to be listed as a break up to 0. This is to signify the end of the list. 0 acts as infinity to the price breaks area. You can also change the calculation there for you to use either specific or, if left checked, an unsloped pricing structure. The second side is adjustable by percentage, so if you'd like to bump the price up or down, you can select this. For the second side, 100% would keep it at a normal cost. If you'd like to bump it up, whole sheet cost would be 200%, but we leave it up to you to list exactly how you'd like to have this set up. The color pricing area would act just the same as the black and white pricing. Basically putting in your speed and rate, selecting your click rates, using a specific range, or unchecking this to use the calculation slope, as well as adjusting for the second side. Once you finish with this, you can click onto the Save button, and it'll add it to your list of machines.